In this video guide, I'll tell you how to easily reset a forgotten computer password without even logging into Windows. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. If you are totally locked out, don't panic because I've got you covered with a bulletproof method. First up on your keyboard, hold down the left Shift key. Keep holding that Shift key down, then move your mouse to the bottom right corner of the screen, click the power button and hit restart. Make sure you keep that Shift key pressed until a blue screen pops up with the text "Choose an option." Once you are there, you need to click on Troubleshoot, then hit Advanced Options, and finally open up Command Prompt. In this newly opened terminal, you have to type the exact command you see on the screen to create a backup file. Right after that, type the second command, which replaces the utility file with the actual command prompt. This clever trick is going to let you open the console directly from the login screen so you can bypass the password. Now just restart your computer normally. Back on the login screen, look at the bottom right corner next to the power button and click on the accessibility icon that looks like a little human. Boom, the command prompt opens up right there. Now type the local group command shown on screen to list all the computer administrators. Next, use the password reset command. My username here is SimDEX, so that is what I am typing since it showed up on my list, but make sure to add an asterisk at the very end. Hit enter, type your brand new password, hit enter again, retip it to confirm, and press enter one last time. And that is literally it. You can now log in with your fresh password. It is honestly wild how a simple system trick can completely save your setup, but it also shows why you should never leave your PC unattended around strangers. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.